Today we're making nopales rellenos. They're so cheesy, super easy to make, and perfect for any meal. In a pot set to medium heat with some water, I'm gonna boil 3 Roma tomatoes, 1 serrano pepper, 1 guajillo, and 1 puya pepper. It's been 5 minutes, they're ready, and I'm gonna add them into the blender. I'm also gonna add 2 garlic cloves, 1/4 of a white onion, 1/2 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 1/2 tablespoon of tomato bouillon, and last 1 cup of water from where we boiled the tomatoes. Now we blend. To prep the nopales, I'm gonna carefully cut them right in the middle, just like this, and make sure not to cut all the way through. This is how they should look. Now in a pot set to medium heat with some water, I'm gonna add some salt, a piece of white onion, and the nopales. After about 6 minutes, they're ready, and I'm gonna take them out. Next, I pat them dry to remove any excess baba. Now I'm gonna slice the cheese, and I'm using Monterrey Jack, but you can use panela or any melting cheese that you like. We add a piece of cheese, or you can always add more if you like them extra cheesy. And we repeat the process for the rest. Once done, we sprinkle them with some all-purpose flour. This will help the egg batter to stick better. Just make sure that they are well coated on both sides. To make the batter, I'm gonna add 5 egg whites to my mixer. We then beat at high speed for about 3 minutes. It's been 3 minutes, and now we can add in the yolks, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, and a pinch of salt. Mix at medium speed for about 2 minutes. It's ready, and this is the consistency that we're looking for. Now we can start frying. I'm gonna dip the nopal in the egg batter, then fry for about a minute on each side or until it looks golden. This one is ready, and I take it out. And we continue doing the same for the rest. For the salsa, in a pan set to medium heat with some oil, I'm gonna add the salsa. Once it comes to a boil, lower the heat and let it simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. To serve, I like to place the nopales over a bed of rice, top it off with some salsa. You can add as much as you like. You can top them off with some crema mexicana, serve them with a side of beans. All right, guys, now for the moment of truth. Cheers! And there you have it, delicious nopales rellenos.